Hey guys, it's time to twin it, and today we're going to be comparing the real candy to the paper squishy. Starting off with Twizzlers. So this is the real candy. And then here's the squishy. Really proud of myself on this one. I really like how I did the cherry. If you can see like the shading, the shadow I meant, not shading, whatever. And the snowflakes, if you can see that, it's kind of hard to see it. But even charging the dots, it's quite hard to see it compared to like, this. Very faint to see. But I am proud of this one. But comment down below if you see or notice any mistakes I've made. I mean, I kind of already noticed a few, like how see the trees here, right here. Compared here, you don't see those trees. I kind of ran out of room. And I also kind of made a mistake here. This is supposed to be baby blue. You see that? But I made it gray instead, and kind of made a mistake here because you see these trees up here. Yeah, but I also tried making it look like the bag, how the bag looks, like this is how the bag looks, and this is squishy. A lot of taping done. I also made it like the top part like that, like how this is. But I'm really proud of myself on that. And I also didn't want to do the back because the back kind of looked boring, and that's just a lot to do, imagine having to do all that, so yeah, I just went with this. But yeah, I'm really proud of this. Oh, I kind of have a hole here. I'll take that up later. I'll patch it up later. And next we have M&M's. So here's the candy. I wasn't able to find the exact candy like this one, but that's fine. That's fine. And here's this. Now I was kind of running out of and I like how I did detail on the hat. I also messed up right here because you see that I took the wrong brown, but it's blonde. And sometimes when I look at this part, I sometimes forget to, you see how it's the dots? Whatever. But this one, I did pretty good. Also, when you the back, that was so confusing, all that and also this is a lot on the back. So, what is that? I don't know what that was. But yeah. And next we have sweet tarts. This one was a huge fail. I was not able to find this one, so this one. This looks better than this because you can see I actually colored this pink and I tried to color it blue. And that just made it worse. Now it's just purple. I also forgot to one word on each side, the exclamation mark, the arrow, and then right here again, which are the arrow. And also, I don't know how, but I forgot to put see kind of bled through there, the other markers, and it just looks bad. I just don't like it. I still don't know how I messed up here. And it's kind of like the R, like you're missing that gap. Like, see how this R has the gap? Also, this is more crooked. Like, you see how it's going more slanted. I meant it's more slanted. It's going like that. But like this one is just going straight, kind of. You know, I don't know how I did that, but I'm gonna do a remake on this one. So like, I'll remake this and get rid of, like, take out the stuffing and use the stuffing for the new one. You know, I'll remake this because it looks bad, awfully bad. I hate it. I hate this one. Also, I just hate it. I just hate it. I just don't like it. I just messed up so bad. And then we got so this one, quite fumbled. If you can see, like, the mistakes I've made. It's just so freaking chalked. Oh my gosh! You hear me saying I'm talented and an artist? Oh Lord, but no. I'm sorry guys. It's so ugly though. I remember when I made this, guys, I thought it was like the Mona Lisa, like so beautiful, like the Mona Lisa. I see so many mistakes. This is like, I don't know how to describe it. It's kind of like arching right here. And you can see these black, ow, my wrist. Apparently that's something. Sorry about that. My wrist, like, oh, you can see the black marks, you know, kind of. And also, it looks just crappy. It's not as clean compared to this. Because if you see, like, the E is more like curved, but this E is like more straight, like a square, you know, like a square. And I made quite a few mistakes because these look so small. I really messed up here because, like, look, it's supposed to be straight and big, but I made this small. See? Oh, sorry guys, I can't see that. I'm sorry. Compared to this. Sorry guys, that cut off. My phone died. But anyways, back to what I was saying. I made a mistake for, like, the Myconite, the yellow one, because if you can see, it's like that. But this one is like smaller and also needs to be more over here, because like it's like above the I and the and part, and where it like ends right here, and I messed up there. And in this, it's super small, not even over here. It's crooked, off place. So, and the red one, this is like how it's supposed, like, this is how it looks. It's like that, you know, going in a certain angle. Well, this one looks small and messed up because it's supposed to be where the E is, right? I mean, it's supposed to be where the E is at. And it's where the K, like, it's supposed to be right here. But then it would look weird, you know what I mean? So I really fumbled there. So that's it, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Comment down below, like, the mistakes I've made if you noticed any. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Bye. Love you guys.